Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 10. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and go to lock screen password. Confirm, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric. And next we've got three numeric password types: 6-digit, 4-digit and 4 to 16 digits. Let's use only 4-digit because basically they are the same, but the only difference is the length. So let's set up 4-digit password, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select alphanumeric, and now we can use from 4 to 16 digit and letters. Next, let's select pattern, and again let's use it to unlock the phone. Now we can go back and enter fingerprint unlock. Thanks to this function, you'll be able to unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can unlock your phone via fingerprint. In the end, let's go to face unlock and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.